Bishops. We have, as every commission, we have presented our reports are mentioned in page number 363. So, page 363, following 9 pages, we have the report, and we will see a brief presentation, video presentation. After that, I will explain some numbers in the PPT.
Communio was inaugurated during the 29th Plenary Assembly held in Bhopal from 31st January to 8th February 2017. Year 2023, meetings and reports.
A meeting was held at the request of Monsignor Wolfgang Huber, President of Missio Munich, at the CCBI Center on 16th January 2023, during which few ideas were exchanged to strengthen Communio. Communio Projects 2023 Part 1. On 6th May 2023, the third Communio Project Selection Committee (PSC) meeting was held at St. John's National Academy of Health Sciences, Bengaluru. 55 project applications were presented. The PSC approved 46 project applications. Communio Projects 2023 Part 2. On 20th September, the 4th Communio Project Selection Committee (PSC) meeting was held in Bengaluru. 22 project applications were presented and 18 were approved. During this meeting, few projects were approved for the first time from Aviral Outreach Society. Communio Societies. On 6th May 2023, board meetings of Communio Societies, Communio Pastoral Society and Aviral Outreach Society were held, and 4 bishops were inducted as new board members. Communio Office. On 9th May 2023, Father Gangula Vignandas was confirmed as full-time Associate Director for the next 3 years for 1 term. During February and March 2023, 2 new staff members were inducted, Mr. Infant Anthony for the Account Section of Communio Societies and Mrs. Sharmila Suresh for the secretarial work of Communio. Communio Digital Media. On January 2023, Saints' Feast videos were shortened to 30 seconds and made available in 12 regional languages. On April 19th, the Communio Mission Stories series was launched, honoring Archbishop Abraham Viruta Kulangara on his 5th death anniversary. He was the first contributor to Communio. A tribute to Cardinal Ivan Dias titled An Illustrious Son of the Church in India followed on June 19. Podcast and newsletter. The Communio podcast series continued sharing mission stories and testimonies, while newsletters were released in March, June, and November 2023. Ms. Anastasia Neil Pinto, Communio Digital Media Coordinator, was selected for the Faith Communication in the Digital World course by the Dicastery for Communication, Vatican City. Awareness Programs 2023. Communio awareness sessions were conducted during national regional programs of various commissions of CCBI held at Bangalore and across the country from January to June 2023. Interactive sessions were conducted creating awareness about Communio among the clergy, religious and lay faithful during the CCBI strategic planning meeting held at Hyderabad, Vasai and Guwahati. Awareness Program for Religious 2023. 2 sessions on the Church's history and structure in India were held for neighborhood religious communities with around 50 sisters participating on 15 July and 10 September 2023. Parish Outreach Programs 2023. Communio conducted an outreach at St. John the Evangelist Church, Marol, Mumbai on 3rd September. A visit was made to the ongoing project at Monigong, Arunachal Pradesh on 13th October, the last Catholic parish at the India-China border. Communio Sunday 2023. The first Sunday of Advent, 3rd December, was observed as Communio Sunday. A Communio Sunday liturgical kit was shared digitally and posters and envelopes in 9 languages were printed and dispatched to 113 dioceses after consulting diocesan Communio directors. Year 2024. Awareness Programs. Interactive sessions were conducted to create awareness about Communio among the clergy, religious and lay faithful during various national and regional meetings and programs. Awareness Program for Religious and Seminarians 2024. 2 sessions were conducted for the neighborhood religious communities for PHJC and SJA sisters. We shared about the history and organizational structure of the church in India. Across 30 sisters participated in these 2 sessions held on 27 January and 14th March. Various interactive sessions were held. Communio Volunteers 2024. In collaboration with the CCBI Youth Commission, Communio organized its first 5-day mission animation program, Communio Volunteership, from 19 to 23rd March 2024 at Shanti Sadan, Goa. 30 young leaders from 10 regions of India participated, pledging to become Communio missionaries in rural India. A similar program was held at Saint Xavier Church, Talur, Udupi, from 22 to 27 June 2024, with participants signing up for the Mission Exposure Program in August 2024. Communio Volunteers Activities. In July and October 2024, Communio Volunteers conducted outreach camps in the Archdiocese of Guwahati and Gujarat dioceses through the Youth Commission. For the first time, they embarked on a 10-day mission journey to Arunachal villages in the Diocese of Itanagar in August. Volunteers shared the mission and vision of Communio at NERYC in Guwahati on 16th October. At the ICYM National Youth Conference in Jalandhar in October, around 20 volunteers planned for Communio Sunday. In collaboration with Catholic Connect, an outreach event was organized at the Kairos 2024 conference in Pondicherry. Communio Sunday was celebrated creatively in parishes on 1st December 2024, and a stall was set up at the exposition of St. Francis Xavier's Sacred Relics in Goa in December. Communio Digital Media. Saints and Feast Day videos continued from January to December, made available in 12 languages. A special edition of the Communio newsletter on volunteership was released in June 2024. The Communio Mission Stories podcast was released on 18th November. Parish Outreach. Communio Outreach was held at St. Francis Xavier Cathedral, Bangalore on 17th to 18th March and Resurrection Church, Bangalore on 19th May in collaboration with CCBI General Secretariat and Catholic Connect teams. Various outreaches and interactive sessions were conducted. Social outreach programs. Communio and Aviral Outreach Society through the CCBI Commissions for Women and Migrants extended support to Assam flood survivors in Dibrugarh on July 5th. On 10 July, Communio's report book detailing approved projects, contributions and disbursed funds for 2021 to 2023 was released. The release took place at Sacred Heart Church, Petapur, Gujarat, which is partially funded by Communio. Communio Projects 2024 Part 1. On 8th May, the 5th Project Selection Committee meeting of Communio was held at St. John's National Academy, Bengaluru. 37 project applications were presented and all were approved for the first time. Communio Projects 2024 Part 2. On 11 September, the 6th Project Selection Committee meeting of Communio was held in Bengaluru. In total, 33 project applications were presented. The PSC approved 25 project applications after carefully examining the objectives of each project. Communio Sunday was observed on 1st December 2024, the first Sunday of Advent. A digital liturgical kit was shared, and after consulting with 132 diocesan Communio directors, Communio Sunday materials in 9 languages were printed and dispatched to 114 dioceses as per their request.
Communio!